Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours from after I post it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. As I talk right now, Bitcoin is actually getting beat down quite a bit. You can see during this current 4-hour session, big old red candle and volume, biggest that it's had in several days. So I'm a little jealous of those of you that get to watch this, 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to know, what exactly has played out from this area. But really going forward, like I said, let's just go with the number of, you're watching this, 20 hours from now. The first question that you need to ask yourself is nothing complicated other than the fact is, where's the price at relative to the 4,900 mark down here? And you can see 4,900 has quite a good track record over the past couple weeks of doing a good job of holding support. On 3 separate occasions, the price has been down around that area, and to give full credit where credit's due, like I said, the bulls have done a good job of holding support. So 4,900 is going to be that first key level. So if you are asking or if you are answering that question that, yeah, the price is still up above 4,900, then yeah, don't get me wrong, this big old, movement here is not exactly bullish, but it's not like things have necessarily spun out of control or anything like that. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 4,900, that's where a little bit of common sense and gut instincts comes into play, meaning if you're watching this 15, 20 hours from now and the price is, right there, okay, don't get me wrong, that's not a good thing that the price is broken down below it. But if you're watching it and the price is, way down there at, 4,500, for example, well, then that's just telling you that, the candlestick right here that we're observing was just the start of something much bigger, and the overall chart has gotten that much more bearish. So like I said, gut instincts and common sense can go a long way. And then on the flip side of things, if you're answering that the price is still above 4,900, common sense goes in the other direction too, meaning if you're watching this and all of a sudden the price is up here at 5,400, well, that would tell you that, yeah, not only was this just a fake move to the downside, but the bulls have already kind of quickly done damage control and then turned things back around, since I've done this video. So like I said, common sense can go quite a bit of ways here, but as of right now, 4,900, definitely a very interesting level going forward for, like I said, the reasons here where the price has been down around that area on several occasions. So let's see if the price can hold above it, or if this current, pretty much nasty situation here is a start of something much bigger. But like I said, I'm jealous of those of you that get to watch this 15, 20 hours from now, but we'll see what happens, and I'll be back to update it right around 4 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.